Well guys, dear students, good morning to you all. Nowadays we are reading second prose lesson, Lost Spring, Stories of Stolen Childhood. Under this, the first story, Sometimes I find a rupee in the garbage. Some of the remaining very selected and important word meanings are these. Under this, wilderness means an uncultivated, uninhabited and inhospitable region or desolate area. Structures of mud means juggies or hutments. Tarpaulin means waterproof canvas used for roofing or heavy duty waterproof cloth. Sewage means wastewater and excrement conveyed in sewers. Drainage means the process of draining something. Identity means the fact of being who a person is or nationality status. Survival means the state of continuing to live or exist, often in spite of difficulty or danger. Aching stomach means hungry or starved. Battered means old and torn. Proportions means dimensions or size. A dream come true means dream becoming true. Leaking means with holes allow water to drip in. Swing means merry-go-round. Lighting up means looking bright or brightening. Fenced means marked with fence or boundary line. Humps means says with hesitation. Discolored means dirty. Shorts means half pant. Discarded means rejected as no longer useful or desirable. Out of his reach means beyond his power. His own master means free. Job means a piece of work. Canister means small tin box. Or carefree means careless. Textual short answer type questions. Question number 1. What is Sahib looking for in the garbage dumps? Where is he and where has he come from? Answer. Sahib is looking for 1 or 2 rupee note in the garbage dumps. He is living in Simapur in Delhi. He has come from Bangladesh. Question number 2. What explanations does the author offer for the children not wearing footwear? Answer. Traveling across the country, the author has seen children walking barefoot in cities on blazed roads. It is not lack of money, but tradition to stay barefoot is one explanation. Question number 3. Is Sahib happy working at the tea stall? Explain. Answer. No. Sahib is not happy working at the tea stall, though he gets 800 rupees and all his meals. He has lost his freedom. Now he is the servant of tea stall owner, whereas he was the master of himself. He was free while doing the work of rag picking. These 3 are most important lessons from this first story. Now guys, you should have to attempt the next 3 very selected and most important additional short answer type questions from this story. Nice meeting to you next day. Thank you.